Alright, so welcome to the ultimate FPV guide to start your FPV journey, and today we will be looking at the basic component of an FPV drone. So basically, make it simpler, what makes an FPV drone? What parts do you need to make an FPV drone? Let's get going. So the background is, FPV drone will contain basically 4 major components. I want you to remember there is basically 4 major components. Number 1 is going to be frame. Number 2 is going to be, we're going to name it the powertrain system. Number 3 is going to be the RC transmission system. And number 4 is going to be the video transmission system. So let's do it again. You need a frame, powertrain system, RC transmission system, and video transmission system. All right, let's look at each of them one by one. So in an FPV drone frame, you're going to find something that is made by carbon fiber. It should look somewhat like this. This one is specifically built for freestyle, so it depends on the actual usage. Your frame might look different from this one. You are going to have 4 arms basically on the side to help you mount motors on each one. So you can see like this. And in the middle, you are going to get like a place that you can mount your stacks, basically your internal components, your video system, and your camera on the front. So this one, you can see it right here. You have like all the components, all the computer parts here, and basically a video system on the back and the camera in the front. So basically, that's about it. All right, the next topic is going to be the powertrain system. The powertrain system are generally your hardware that provides power to your FPV drone. So the main components we're going to categorize in this category is going to be motors. You're going to need a flight controller, and you are going to need a 4-in-1 ESC, and obviously you're going to need a battery, but we're not going to talk about it in this video. So the general idea of how this system works is the flight controller is going to be the brain of the system. Like a motherboard from your PC, it basically manages everything. The FC is going to tell the ESC how much power it will be sending to the motors, and the motors will spin and let the FPV drone float. And to control and give instruction to your powertrain system, we will be talking about the radio system. Okay, so to talk about the radio system, we're actually going to bring out a radio so it's maybe easier to understand. So a radio system will contain 2 major components. So obviously the one you need a radio to send signal, and you're going to need a receiver. So this one is a receiver. This is the XpressLR system. We're going to talk a little bit more detail of which radio system. So this one, basically just to let you know, you're going to need a radio and a receiver. So the receiver basically has to be connected to your flight controller, and the flight controller, obviously we're talking about, is a master brain, right? So the master brain receives the radio signal into it, processes, so that's when the quad makes it to go flip and flops. So we generally call this RX, receiver, and this we call it TX, transmitter. Okay, so there are a few RC protocols you can choose from, and there will be a specific chapter completely focusing on this. So next, let's just talk about the video system to make a summary of this video. All right, so a video transmission system will basically includes a camera, a video transmission device, basically we name it VTX, and you're going to need a goggles to receive this footage. Obviously, that's how you achieve the FPV view. So obviously, there are going to be a lot of video system, and depends on which video system you decide to use, the wire is going to be different. But just to make it a little bit simpler, we're just going to understand it like this. So basically, the camera takes in footage, it goes to the VTX then telemetries the signal out from the antenna, and our goggles are going to receive the signal. So basically that's how simple it is. So same as the RC video system, as I was mentioning, you get a few video systems to choose from. It will also be in a separate video. So for now, just remember RC control system and the video transmission system are 2 separate systems, and both systems is not going to talk to each other, okay? So even with certain brands that probably, like a DJI, you're going to have a same radio with the same goggles, it's still a complete different control link, okay? Just remember that. All right, so basically just to wrap up this video, let's just summarize everything. So to build an FPV drone, you need a frame, you need a powertrain system, you need a RC radio control system, and a video transmission system. So basically, these are the 4 important components that you are required. So just to make this a little bit interesting, based on what we just discussed today, you can also understand the minimum gear required to enter the FPV hobby is you are going to need an FPV drone, very obviously. You are going to also need a RC radio, and you're also going to need a goggles, and you're, of course, some batteries. Just don't forget about them. But this is basically the important 4 stuff you need in the FPV drone hobby. All right, so if you have additional questions or just wanted to leave a comment or you're still confused, please leave it down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.